Alright, here we are in Mardi Gras. What is it? I don't know when it is, but we're in Mardi Gras.
I'm having so much fun. Are you videoing this? I was
Dimitri's over here studying, but he's gonna jump in the car with us and we're gonna take him up to Jackson.
How badly is he hurt? Check his pulse!
How the hell are we gonna get out of here?
Does anybody have a working phone?
Everything's gonna be okay.
We're almost at the hospital. You're gonna make it.
He's not gonna die. He's in good hands. You're gonna take good care of him inside.
Excuse me. Yes,
What is it?
Dr. Benway would like to talk to you in person. Third floor, fourth door on your left.
Doctor, am I going to be okay?
I don't think so.
911 emergency.
I need you to send help out right away. I'm at Mercy Hospital.
Ma'am, Mercy's been closed for 3 years.
We're gonna find everyone else and we're gonna get out of here, okay?
I know what it's like to have a loved one suffering.